Hello everyone and welcome back to MCS here in the D2 Championship at Charlotte for we'll decide a D2 champion and then a D1 champion tomorrow. Our qualifying order: Danica Deegan, Stevie Poe, Ramon Cummings, Richard Perry, Young, Jamal Fishfree, Andrew Bell, Mears, Cooper, Todd Turner, Clyde Wheeler Jr. Ooh, that's not a good start for him. Julian Daniels, not a good start for him either. Keenan Mackey, Lawrence Powell, Stephen Neal, Noels, Han Cox, Allen, Pemberton, Oreo, Abraham, Edwards Carl, Lewis Hill, James Freeman, Austin Bennett, Cindric Austin, Chung, Denny Ham, Dirk Stitt, and Bush on pole. Alright, now if you don't mind going over the drivers who have made it to the championship.
Yeah, so I'm sorry, it's not in where usually is. Let me check email device.
Yeah, email device.
You go, hi, Julian Daniels. Clyde Wheeler Jr., Dirk Stitt,
And both of the energy cards who are in this championship starting up in the top 5. Wait, so who are the 5 drivers again? I heard 4 of them. I missed one of them.
Julian Daniels, Clyde Wheeler Jr., Dirk Stitt, Lawrence Powell, Denny Ham.
Lawrence Powell was so inconsistent this season besides him winning at Daytona. How is he in the championship? So we have all three of the drivers starting back here, and then the other 2 up here. This could be one of these drivers' last races in D2. We know it's most likely going to be Clyde Wheeler's, as he is going to the 23.
Unless something happens there.
And green flag. And Dirk Stitt's going to take the early lead in the championship. And the Soto racing cars. Yeah. Both of them were battling for the win last week. And it looks like they're going to be battling for the win this week. As we already know, or we already have gotten our D3 champion. And the 23 cars. So. Oh yeah, she won the championship by a whole 3 points. I just realized in D1, I think this is our first time having a championship where no female is in it. In D1. Yeah.
run back here. Nothing.
The two, I don't think they're going to be racing at least aggressively yet.
It'll be on center if I put it here too. I got my putty.
11, right behind him. I just don't think he's going for a pass yet. Never mind, there he goes. I think the outside might be a little bit more. No, they seem pretty equal. I'll put that outside. Oh, and he, big slowdown from the 28. The 11's going to take the lead. That was a good pass from the number 11 car. Sorry, my cat was hammering my head in. You don't question it. You can tell these two teammates don't want to race each other aggressive, but I think once it comes to the championship and like the final 2 laps, they're going to start getting really aggressive. Oh, and there goes the 28, trying to set up the same type of path that 11 did. Oh god, he's getting his cat's assaulting him. Help. There goes the 28, trying to set up a pass. Will he get it to work like the 11 did? You got to go. I think the 11's going to get the run, maybe? No, I think you can hear the 11 on the inside here. And the 28's going to clear the 11, taking the race lead. I think we're going to see a pass like that for the championship. Let's see who has the... Oh! The 93 seems to be running them down right now. He's trying to actually pass him. 28 still the fastest lap. Oh my god. The 93 is so much faster than them right now. Never flown. What? He's fine. He just died. See where all the other champs championship drivers are. The 35 and 11, the 9 car and 14. Oh, there's the 11 trying to make it stick. The 9 car and 14th, and 26 and 16. So it's really only these two cars battling for the championship. They're coming up on some lap traffic. That's fantastic for the 11 car. I think Corey Soto, the team owner, will be happy with whoever wins. He just doesn't want them to wreck each other and have like the first fight. Car has a decent gap on the 11 right now. Spin! Oh, it's not done right now. I think some drivers are going to try to make it past lap 20. If you can make it past lap 20, then you can have a one-stop race, and there goes the first, or both of the Soto racing cars down into the pit road. Let's see. Let's check the pits thing. 35 is pit. Alright. The only coming up there, 45. 28 up left. Oh! 28's gonna hit that. 45's gonna bump that. 28's gonna out. 9 cars are out. 26 cars. 11. 26 cars. Just down the pits. I think the 26 might have just stretched his fuel run to where he can make it the rest of the race. He's gonna have to save it though. That means the 26 can now have a shot at this. As he has just stretched his fuel run, I believe, to where he can make it for the rest of the race if he's able to conserve his fuel. '26 was my pick for the championship yesterday when we did the X50. He was my pick. The 94 car. What? Oh, but that car's gonna go down pit road now. I think that means the 28's gonna take back the lead. I think that 26 is still gonna have a shot though. He did pit. He's one of the later cars to pit, but I think he's setting up for strategy right now at least. Pit on lap 20. You should be able to stretch it on fuel, I believe. Yeah, your 28's gonna cycle out back to the race lead. Your current third place championship car is 35 Lawrence Powell, running 8. This might be a fuel mileage to see who can get the biggest fuel run. Oh yeah, keep in mind we're only doing 40 laps in this race, and in the cup race we're doing 100. And 40 laps is going to be about 30 minutes. The cup race is probably going to be like 70 minutes. Which you guys know is an hour, 10 minutes. 35 Dylan running in third place spot for the championship. 9 4th spot. And 26. And I think 26 right now is actually in the best situation to win it. As like we said, pit coming to lap 21. Fastest lap still 28. Ooh. Mechanical failure for the 59. Oh! 28 around! Caution's out!
Oh, that is terrible.
Right as I said he had a problem, the road in 28 is going to go around and get some damage. And he's going to lose a lot of positions there on the track. Not that many championship drivers. And that's going to throw him his pit strategy. Is that going to be 2 races in a row where the leader gets killed? If so, it's not looking good for whoever's going to be in the actual cup race. If you guys didn't watch the Xfinity race last season, or not last season, yesterday, Augustine Pryor was leading in the championship points until she blew an engine. The race. And I think the 11 car got some damage from that as well. Oh, there's really nothing that either of them. In my opinion, that was the 4 car's fault. We saw 4 cars That's up with the 93 in the lead. Oh, the 11 cars are tired. 11 cars out. 11 cars out. Championship hopes. That means the 28 is still going to be your championship leader. But there goes that 26's pit strategy into play. 26 is now running P10. But I think that 28 car is going to be a little bit slow after some of that damage that he got. I wouldn't be surprised if we see the 11 get mad at the 4 car after this race. Because that, at least in my opinion, was definitely the 4 car's fault. He saw a slow car and just didn't move. Just reared to the back of it. Yeah. There was nothing both of the Soto cars could do there. Sucks for the 11 car. But that's going to give the 28 a really decent lead on the second place championship car in the 26. I still think he might be a little bit slow after that damage. All he has to do is hold on to the lead for 10 laps. Check emails. Coming to the green flag. Here's the second place championship car in Julian Daniels. And the first place championship car in Dirk Stitt. And green flag. Yeah, I remember. Oh, yeah, the 28 car slow. Yeah, 28 car really slow. And, yeah, there goes the 26 to the lead. Oh, no. There's my pick. 26, Julian Daniels back to the lead in the championship. Or not back to the lead, to the lead. He hasn't been in the lead. That sucks for the Soto Racing cars. They were having such a good run. And now, Dirk sits really slow. He's really only fast on the corners. Dirk sits really slow, and the 11 car, DNF. Let's see right now where the second place championship car is. And I think it is still the... Oh, here comes the 35! Your second place championship car! 3 wide! And there goes the 35. Trying to make a pass for the championship lead. And there goes the 35 side by 3 wide. I do not like this. Oh, but here comes Clyde Wheeler Jr. as well. All the drivers still in the championship in this pack. 28 slow, but I think he could still have a shot if all these other cars die. Which they might. Lawrence Powell, your current championship leader. Coming to 6 laps to go in the championship. Your current championship leader, the 35. The 9 car only separated by a few car lengths. The 35 and Lawrence Powell and Clyde Wheeler Jr. are friends, but I don't think they're going to be friends for the championship. That 9 car also seems slow on the straights. Five laps to go. Can the 35 hold this lead for 5 laps to win himself the championship? He's going to have a really hard-charging number 9 to deal with, though. Oh, big send into the turn. Oh, the 9 car's way faster on the turns. There he goes. Clyde Wheeler Jr. He was out for the first 3 races of the season, and now he's battling for a championship. 4 laps to go. 35 is going to get a massive run on the outside. Oh, he's going to get a run entering the turn. There goes the 9. His dad, Clyde Wheeler, won the championship in D3 like 10 years ago. Oh, there goes the 9 car. He tried to send it in. 35's going to get a massive run from that, coming to 2 laps to go in the championship. It's between the 35 and the 9 car now. Oh, we have pit stops. Wait, no, 2 laps to go. I forgot he is the leader. 2 laps to go. Lawrence Powell, your championship leader. But he's going to have to deal with that 9 car behind him. And it's going to look like it's going to be a fuel mileage race, possibly. Or is he going to try to stretch it? White flag. Both of them are going to try to stretch it. White flag here in the championship. Lawrence Powell, your current leader. He's going to have to hold on for 4 more turns. But he's going to be behind a slow car, it looks like. Never mind. 9 car's going to have 1 more shot. I don't think he's going to get it. And into turn 3. Out of turn 4 for the championship leader, Lawrence Powell is going to win the championship here at Charlotte. He won at Daytona, didn't win after that. He's going to get 3rd place in the championship race, 1 position above 2nd place in the championship. Clyde Wheeler Jr. He just couldn't get the car to run well there in those final few laps. And that's going to be your D2 champion. D3 and D2 champions decided. It's going to be the 35 car. And next race will be the D1 championship in the Cup Series at Charlotte as well.